Hello, friends and students. I'm back again. Um, I'm going to teach you right now on the subject of rest duration. Okay? So you learn note duration, but you also need to know rest duration as well. Okay? Because they are both equally important as you learn music. Okay? So I'm going to introduce a few things on this blank paper now, and then I will be more specific when I turn the page. So you will see something like this. It's a black rectangle hanging up from a bar or something, okay? Like that, okay? And that considered is a whole rest. I don't know if you can see, I think the ink running out. So, whole rest. And then if you see the same rectangular curve laying on top of the line instead of hanging from it, and consider this is darkened, okay? And that's called a half rest. Okay? And then you will see something like a bracket. Well, yeah, something like that. That's considered as a quarter rest. I think that should be. Let me check. Let's make sure. Usually I would know how to do this. I just went blank a little bit here. Yeah, that's correct. So it should be drawn like this. Okay? So that's called a quarter rest. And then you would see something like this. That's called a eighth rest. Okay? Now, you wonder why do we need this? Well, when you play music, especially when you play piano, both of your hands do not always play together, right? Sometimes the right hand play, the left hand rest. Sometimes the left hand play, the right hand rest. Okay, so you have to understand that. So in an orchestra, when you play together, several instruments playing together, sometimes one instrument would stop and the other instrument would play, and sometimes they play together. So they are equally important as the notes. Okay, so you know when to come in, when to stop, when to pause. So basically, rest is just a quick pause. If it linked together, tied together, it could, I'll explain what tie is later. It could go up to 8 beats of rest. So it depends, okay? So just learning this shape, okay? So that if it hang upside down, sort of hanging up from the line, then that's called whole rest. If it lay on top, half rest, and then a quarter rest, it looked like a worm, I don't know, and then 8 rest, it would look like a hook, okay, almost like a fish hook, okay? All right, now I'm going to show you how it looked on the staff when the music is written, okay? So that's treble clef. So the whole rest would hanging off like this, okay? Half rest would be like that, okay? And a quarter rest would be like that. And then the 1/8 rest, it would be like that. And now you may ask me, what if it's even faster? Well, just like the 1/8 and then 1/16 note or 1/32 note, they're adding a flag, right? So this one, basically, you're adding a hook. Okay? And if you need more, and even faster, you can do that. So this is 1/8, this is 1/16, this is 1/32 rest. So of course this is a 4-beat rest, 4 count. Okay, so that's a whole note. That means 4 count rest. It rests for 4 beats. And this one is 2 beats. Okay, and this is 1 beat. And this is half a beat. And this is 1/4 of a beat. And this is 1/8 beat. And you ask me 1 beat is approximately about 1 second, usually faster. Okay? But it also depends on the composer. If the composer decide he want it to be faster than 1 second, then so be it. Okay? And also when it played by the musician or a whole orchestra, it depends on the musician and also the conductor. All right? So this is rest. Okay? So basically they are equally important. And for example of that is I have this song right here. Okay? So this song right here is the song Memory. Okay? As you can see here, let me zoom in a little bit. And as you can see right here, that's a 1/8 rest, right? So your left hand play, meanwhile your right hand still resting. It's the same here, okay? The same here. Now when you get to here, your right hand play, your left hand rests. Same here. Your right hand still play, your left hand rests. The same here, okay? And down here, basically your left hand completely rests in this whole measure right here. And your right hand play only. Now, just to show you, and you can watch my hand. Let me zoom out. And you're going to see how my hand play on the piano. And you can see one hand is playing and the other hand rests, okay? So that would help you here. So for example, this song. See, this part right here, left hand play. See? Okay? So now left hand play. Now right hand join after, right? Join a little bit later. And the same thing here. But when you get to here, for example, I'm going to start playing right here. See? So left hand are lifting up, and then now left hand lift up. See? Right hand play the last note, and left hand rest. So it's very important, okay? Just to put them all together with the little pedal, it sounds a lot nicer. Watch my hand. That. So left hand rest, right hand play. All right, it's enough for now, and hope it helped you understand what I'm doing. All right, so good luck to you and best wishes. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment section and ask away. Okay, I hope it's clear enough so you don't need to have to ask. But if you have questions, please ask. All right, good luck to you and God bless. Bye bye.